and welcome to the Prodrift Academy. My name is Graham McNamara. I'm one of the founders of the Prodrift Academy, and this is just a quick video, an unedited video, to show you guys our desert training facility, which is about 40 minutes north of Dubai. You can see some of it here behind me. I'll just give you guys a brief description of how it works here. At the moment there is a drift night going on, so you guys will get to see that. So what we do is we teach people in levels from level 1 to 10. And the idea is that people progress at their own rate, at their own speed, and it's our job is to take someone on a journey, whether it be 1 day's training, 2 days training, and so on. I'll go back into that in a second. I'll just show you around the venue first. Now for the training cars, we mainly use the Z chassis. The reason we mainly use the Z chassis is because of the fact that they're reliable, they have good torque, we have a big spares package for them, and we have two types. We have the black cars, which you can see here. This is a 370Z. Okay, and these cars are all about technique. The whole purpose of these cars is to make them, to have good settings on them, to have good grip up front, and to make them slide easily. Okay, so these cars slide well. Here's another one. This is 350Z, and the black cars are technique training cars. Then we have the green cars, and the green cars are our pro cars. Now this here behind me is our pit lane for training, and there's a second pit lane outside, and as you can see, that's being used for the actual drift track day itself. This is one of our pro cars here. It's a 370Z. Big difference between the green and the black is the grip level. These cars have far more grip than the black ones. So where these are designed to grip, the black cars are designed to slide. But before you can learn how to drive a drift car that has good grip, you have to learn how to slide a car. This is our track. This skid pad is 130 meters by 130 meters, and the idea is that we allow tracks to suit the student's ability, and we kind of take them on a journey of level 1 to 10, and they get better and they get faster as we go along. As I said, this is a track day today. Our pit lane is closed. Here we have our hospitality area, and this is our workshop. This is where we would do minor modifications to the cars, small upkeep, stuff like that. This is one of our S13s here. It's getting some small work done to it. This is one of our rally cars. When our students fly in, they like to do more than just drifting, so we often do other activities, especially sand activities. So the rally car is perfect for that. Then you have a black 350 again, which is a training car. And then here we have our Corvette. This is one of our high-end pro cars as well. So, as I said, we have different types of cars for different levels of skill. Now I'll just show you guys inside our technique room. Inside our technique room, or our training room, and this is where we do the theory side of things. So the idea here is to watch a lot of videos, to go through a lot of GoPro footage, to work with the students individually, to find out where their mistakes are, to explain things to them in great detail. You can see helmet rack here. So the 5 key principles of our training program are line, speed, angle, style, and time. Now 4 of those you will find in most drift competitions. The last one, time, is kind of specific to us. The reason that we use time is because we find it a great way to get for our students to understand grip in drifting. Not to be fast drifters, because in twin drifting you have to be fast. If you're not fast, you get left behind and you're not going to progress. Line, speed, angle, style, that's the basis of any professional drift event. So that's what our training program is based on. When someone comes here to learn, everything that we do is relevant to a professional event. The fun side of it is things that we do in the beginning, but as you progress through the levels, it's all about technique, it's all about the detail. Here you'll see some of our partners, obviously Nissan, Nismo, Westlake Tires, Milwaukee, U-Drive. Without those guys, you wouldn't be able to build a facility like this. You can see the TV, you can see some of the boards, you can see how we develop a student. So first thing we teach them is offline, which would be just drifting wherever they can, and just let them worry about the technique side of it. And then we go online. Online is when the student has to be precise. It's when they show us how good they are. Now, I'll take you guys back outside and we'll go upstairs. So upstairs you'll see our hospitality area. There's a student's car here. So we do work on students' cars as well. But when there is events like this, so this is a practice one. You'll see a lot of people here just hanging out and just enjoying the night. So this is the hospitality area. This is where people chill out. In here is our coffee shop. This is where, again, this is usually used for events more than anything else. We put down some simulators here, but this is just a hangout area. And then outside again. So here's the track. And as students get better, we open the track and make it bigger and faster. So that's how it works. As you can see, they have a section off to do donuts and figure of eights and stuff like that. And then there's a bigger track further out. So yeah, so how does it work in terms of packages? So what we do is this venue was designed or created for people that want to learn and want to learn quickly. So a lot of our students would fly in and they'd spend maybe 1 or 2 or 3 days with us. We'd design a package for them. They would stay with us and they would learn the technique and they would get better as they go along. Now it does take a little bit of time to learn, of course, but when you're learning in blocks like that, it makes it much easier. How does someone join us and how does someone learn here? Very simple. You just send us an email on uae@prodriftacademy.com. We will obviously give you your options. And as I said, this whole venue is designed around the individual. It's specifically for people that want to learn drifting in a professional manner. So yeah, so give you one last look around. As I said, uae@prodriftacademy.com. Hit us up, we'll give you your options. And this is a community-based event. So a lot of these guys are learners, they're beginning, they're new to the sport. So yeah, so make sure if you wanna come and learn, hit us up. We'll see you soon.